came 2005, and everything changed again. It started with a joke, a tongue-in-cheek fact about Chuck Norris doing the impossible. Then another, then thousands. Chuck Norris doesn't do push-ups. He pushes the earth down. When the boogeyman goes to bed, he checks his closet for Chuck Norris. Death once had a near Chuck Norris experience. The internet exploded with Chuck Norris jokes. They were absurd, hilarious, and oddly reverent. And the best part? Chuck loved it. He embraced the jokes with humility and humor, even publishing the official Chuck Norris Fact Book in 2009. Chuck Norris didn't chase fame. Fame chased him, and still hasn't caught up. He fought Bruce Lee, he beat the odds, and he's still the only man who can sneeze with his eyes open.